In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Notion is a powerful, customizable workspace that brings your entire content workflow into one place, from brainstorming and planning to publishing, tracking projects, and analyzing performance. Think of it as your creative command center that reduces scattered notes, files, and tasks, and replaces them with a clear, repeatable system. Start by building a centralized hub where all your ideas, projects, notes, and research live together. Use a database to capture content ideas and add properties like topic or pillar, status such as drafting, scheduled, or published, and, if you work with others, an assigned author. This structure makes it easy to filter and sort what matters most today, while keeping long-term ideas organized for later. Next, set up a content calendar. With calendar or timeline views, you can plan and schedule posts across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, blogs, and podcasts. Drag and drop to move dates, and switch between views to see either your daily workload or the big picture roadmap. This consistency helps you publish on schedule without scrambling. Create an asset library to store images, videos, scripts, and documents. Link these files directly to your content ideas so everything you need for a post lives in one place. A simple tip: use consistent naming and tags so you can find and reuse assets quickly. To streamline production, build a workflow that mirrors your process. A board view with columns like idea, drafting, editing, approved, and published gives you a visual pipeline. Layer in content-specific templates, such as YouTube scripts, Instagram Reels, or blog outlines, to standardize quality and save time. Notion AI can help brainstorm, outline, or polish drafts. Treat it as a helpful assistant and always review the final output. If you collaborate, assign tasks, leave comments, and mention teammates right inside the page. Everyone stays aligned on deadlines, deliverables, and feedback without juggling multiple tools. On the business side, manage projects, sponsorships, client-style guides, and collaborations in dedicated databases. Track income and expenses with a simple finance tracker so you always know where your money is going. For performance insights, connect third-party tools like Super.so Analytics or Google Analytics to view engagement and results alongside your content pipeline. You can even use Notion as a lightweight CMS to publish a clean website or portfolio, and pair it with third-party services for custom domains, design, and SEO. To get started fast, explore the Notion template gallery for free and paid options, and check out the Notion for Creators program, which offers eligible creators access to paid plans and exclusive resources. Begin simple, refine as you go, and let Notion grow with your creative workflow.